Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see number of views on Instagram Reels. We start by opening Instagram, and then we are going to go to our profile or whoever we want to check the views. Once inside the profile, we will click on the Reels category. Finally, at the bottom of the cover of each reel, we can see its number of views. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.